Welcome to Knucklehead Garage, where we are ecstatic to offer this 1972 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This Karmann Ghia is done in a Restomod style, featuring 15-inch, 8-spoke, satin finish aluminum wheels. The bumpers have been removed and filled, giving the Ghia a smooth, racy look. The body lines and styling of the Karmann Ghia have been popular since the car was introduced. This Karmann Ghia was a full body on restoration done by a professional restoration facility and painted in a high gloss bright yellow finish with blue metallic over the roof striping. This Karmann Ghia really gets the looks and compliments everywhere we go. Imagine yourself displaying the Ghia at your local cruise nights and car shows. It really looks sweet all opened up. Under the hood, the trunk was completely refinished, painted, and a new trunk carpet kit installed. Out back you will find the 1600cc dual-port engine that is running perfectly and the transmission shifts smoothly. The odometer is showing 78,744 miles, which could be correct as this car is very tight but will be sold exempt because of the age of the vehicle. The interior features comfortable Pro Car by Scat racing bucket seating and a retro look fully functioning AM/FM radio. The headliner is new and finishing off the interior is a complete new carpet kit. This Karmann Ghia is a blast to drive and it looks amazing cruising down the streets. One of the great things about this car is you can own a restored classic vehicle that is complete, ready to go, and is still affordable. Thank you for watching our video, and remember to like, share, follow Knucklehead Garage on YouTube and Facebook. Keep on cruising and have a great day.